First, go to the Google Type Android Cast and download the software. According to this, we can download this for Android, PC, Mac. Read the user guide for more information. Download and install Android Cast to mirror to Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Android TV wirelessly. OK, then download completed. And next step, we want to install the software for our PC. Press OK. Click Next. Click Agree. Then click Install. Take few minutes to install the software. Then click Finish and the install completed. Then we want Download app for the iPhone. And after download was completed, open the app in the phone and the PC. Then link with the software by using the barcode. Click Start Broadcast. After completing the steps in the video, we can link the software. This software was free and we can mirror the screen with PC. Subscribe to this channel.